My name is Leslie Dement. I'm a service advisor at Porsche Service Center Chesterfield, and I've been with the company for 8.5 years. Previously, I was at Porsche St. Louis as a sales representative for 6 years, made the switch 2.5 years to a service advisor, and now get the opportunity to open up the new location. Moving to a new location, it's always fun because it's fresh, and I always love a challenge of starting something new and being the first to be there and watch it grow and see what it can become. I have lived in St. Louis my entire life, and I absolutely love it. My coworkers, I think, would describe me as energetic, definitely fun, but I get the job done. I have always loved cars. German cars are my absolute favorite. I've had 4 Porsches of my own and plan on having a lot more. Being with Indigo Auto Group for 8.5 years, I have watched it from the beginning to where it is now. They have taken this company and just grown so much, and they really do support their employees, and we are getting bigger and bigger all the time, but there's still that feeling of family and support, and I just appreciate that so much.